Thank you. Your Excellency, Honorable Dr. William Samoei Ruto, the President of the Republic of Kenya and Commander-in-Chief of the Kenya Defence Forces, Honorable Opiyo Wandayi, the Cabinet Secretary for Energy and Petroleum. I have also seen Honorable Chirchir, I think he's, okay. Honorable Alex Kamau, the Principal Secretary, State Department of Energy. Honorable Walter Nyambati, the Chairman, GDC. Mr. Paul Ngoge, the CEO or Managing Director, Geothermal Development Company, the Board of Directors and the staff, Dr. Yang Tan, the General Manager, Kaishan Group Limited, members of Parliament present, members of the County Assembly of Nakuru present, county government officials, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. Let me begin by first introducing the honorable leaders that are with us here this morning. And I will start with Honorable Gikaria, the MP, Nakuru Town East. Thank you. Honorable Arama, the MP, Nakuru Town West. Honorable Lisa Chelule, our County Member of Parliament. Honorable Irene, the Honorable Member of Bahati Constituency. Honorable Kamket, I think our nearby neighbor, Mheshimiwa from Tiati. We have the Honorable Senator Wakoli from Bugoma. And we have Mheshimiwa Tom Ondege, who is the MP Nyatike. We had the Honorable Senator Aaron, who is the Majority Leader and Senator of Kericho, with us. And we have our area member of the County Assembly, Mheshimiwa Ruto. Thank you. Your Excellency, it's my distinct pleasure and honor to join you this morning as we break ground, the ground for the construction of a 35-megawatt power plant by the GDC here at the Menengai Geothermal project in Menengai, Nakuru County. I take this earliest opportunity, Your Excellency, to welcome you and everybody else here to Nakuru County and especially here in Menengai, Rongai sub-county. My sincere appreciation to the GDC company and All Power 22 Limited for making it possible for us to congregate here to launch the construction of a power plant that will add 35 megawatts to our power generation. We applaud you, Your Excellency, and encourage you to continue cementing Nakuru County's reputation as the home of geothermal energy. Your Excellency, today's groundbreaking ceremony for the second 35-megawatt power plant in Menengai is a great milestone towards the utilization of the initial 105 megawatts of steam here in Menengai, Nakuru County. And in so doing, positioning the county of unlimited opportunities as the home 22 adds into our power mix a considerable fraction towards our national commitment to green energy. We eagerly await, Your Excellency, the acceleration to finalize the utilization of the remaining gathered steam. We are confident that the attraction of independent power producers, the IPPs, such as Kaishan Energy and Socian Energy, among others, is a clear vindication that Nakuru County has in place an enabling environment for local and international investments in energy generation and other sectors. I'm glad to report that in addition to an enabling environment for investment, we have developed business-friendly policies, among them the single business permit and prompt land application approvals and attendant regulations in an effort to attract more investors in manufacturing and industry. Whereas we recognize and celebrate today's groundbreaking of the construction of the power plant, which is a great milestone towards the government's commitment to increase generation of power to the 5,000 megawatt target, we are also cognizant of the more opportunities that can be derived from steam and bring use beyond the national grid. To this end, the county government of Nakuru, in partnership with GDC, is keen in developing a framework for local and international industrial developers' engagement for the utilization of available resources, and in particular, the county government of Nakuru is desirous to accelerate green industrial development within the county. It recognizes its rich endowment of arable land for production of food, animals, and forestry products, and has abundant renewable energy resources, including geothermal, wind, and solar, and recognizes the urgent need to prioritize creation of new and sustainable industry-based jobs to leverage on available resources like geothermal energy and untapped potential in agriculture and agribusiness, among other opportunities. And significant land attendant utilities and infrastructure is now available for immediate access and development in Nakuru County. It is our belief and vision, Your Excellency, that through such a framework, we will attract more investors, restore and grow our manufacturing sector by leveraging on available resources like geothermal energy and the untapped potential in agriculture and agribusiness, among other opportunities. Your Excellency, Nakuru County, in collaboration with GDC, has set up the Green Industrialization Task Force, the GIT, to spearhead accelerated development of green industries, which will take advantage of the green energy and other resources and infrastructure, our vibrant agricultural production sector, and highly skilled manpower, with a view to supply the cities of Nakuru, Nairobi, and Mombasa, and other major towns and rural areas across the country, and supply export markets in the common market for Eastern and Southern Africa, COMESA region and beyond. So, Your Excellency, I won't say too much more. I have a lot more to say about this great county of Nakuru, but I also realize time may not be on our end. So to achieve our commitments, the government of Nakuru County has requested for technical assistance from Power Africa, USAID, who have finalized a feasibility study to support our ambitious urban solarization program in all of our major towns in Nakuru. With your support, Your Excellency, Nakuru can become the best model city on the utilization of direct use of geothermal energy in Africa. We therefore kindly request full feasibility study on this and your government support on public-private partnership investors to utilize this available steam and brine. I will endeavor in exploring bringing on board more partners to fully support making Nakuru a full green county. In conclusion, Your Excellency, we feel proud to be associated with GDC and All Power 22 for this great milestone, not just here in Menengai, but countrywide. We will continue to provide a conducive investment regime for all investors to flourish as we seek to develop Nakuru County. We pledge to work closely with the national government, state corporations, private investors, and individuals on our journey to restore Nakuru as the hub for industrial and agri-business. Asante, Your Excellency. It is now my honor to bring on board